Hello everybody. Yeah, I'm Usatorre from TECNALIA, as you kindly presented me. Okay, and I'm going to talk about the manufacturing case in TECNALIA. The manufacturing case is divided in two, in fact, but today I will concentrate on the Market 4.0 metal main business model. Okay, some figures. The idea of Market 4.0 is to make a platform for the marketing of manufacturing equipment, for the marketing of machines, to understand each other. Today there are 174,000 companies in Europe manufacturing equipment, employing around 4 million people. But as you can see on the right-hand side figure, most of the customers are out of Europe, in China, USA, Japan, South Korea, etc. This is a market that is very difficult for the SMEs. Either they can settle themselves on those countries, or they have to try to do some internet marketing. Well, the idea is to create a marketplace where these companies can sell their products. Obviously, that is not easy because nobody wants to buy a 1 million euro machine in internet. So our project, Market 4.0, considered that the best way was to help the customer and the seller with services that can give some added value. Okay, so this is a sketch of Market 4.0, where we see in the left, just a second, where we see in the left-hand side the customer, not only the customer himself, a person, but also the customer as a data, let's say, repository. We have on the right-hand side a supplier of equipment, not only the person, but also data. And we have services, not only persons, but also applications. So the idea is that the services can help in the relation between customer and the main. Obviously, the customer is willing to keep his data secure and safe. The same for the supplier, and the same for the service provider. Supplier might want to share his data with the service or with the customer, but not with his.
Yeah, but it goes even beyond it.
Yeah, there's somebody talking. Yeah, okay, I continue. So, all right, then the idea is to use the IDSA reference architecture in order to secure all these data transactions. There are connectors, as you can see here in orange cream color, and we have also certain Market 4.0 IDS modules like the clearinghouse, the broker, or the identity provider. The idea is that there is a customer. It can be Fiat, it can be a packing shop limited company that will go into the Market 4.0 central portal and will request a service. There are lots of services. You can request a service called equipment selection, nesting service, PMP, IPSS, by selection, additive manufacturing scheduling. So, depending on the type of machine that you require, the type of manufacturing process the customer has, he will request one service or another. He can request several services, of course. The idea is that he will do a first browse in the Market 4.0, and then he will jump into the services. The services will exchange information with the equipment providers in order to find the most suitable service for the customer needs. This is good for the customer. This is good for the equipment provider. Of course, the services also need to connect with the IDS broker or the IDS identity provider. And as a result of this process, there will be a return of the information to the customer. For example, additive manufacturing scheduling is a service that identify the best additive manufacturing process for to manufacture a certain part, or nesting service calculates the number of products that can be placed in a plate for a certain laser cutting machine, etc., etc. So when the service provides a solution to the customer, the service also sends information to the clearinghouse, to the IDS clearinghouse. So later on, the service providers can invoice the customers. If we look at it in IDS reference architecture implementation, we see in the left-hand side the service providers, in the right-hand side the equipment providers, and on top we can see the IDS central modules. So there is a configuration through a connector. So there is a request of information here in red color, going from the service provider to the data provider. After this request, there is an answer here in yellow color, and a copy of this transaction is going to the IDS clearinghouse. So there is a record of this transaction in case in the future there is a conflict. There is a copy both from the data consumer to the clearinghouse and also to the data provider to the clearinghouse. As well, there are connectors, there are connections with the broker and with the identity provider. All this architecture has been already implemented. Connectors are ready and working. Central modules are ready. The broker and the identity provider are ready and working. And we are in the final steps of the implementation of the clearinghouse. So I think this will take just, well, maybe along the month of May, this will be finally settled. So the architecture is ready to be tested with newcomers in the project. The project has launched an open call, and projects dealing with IDS and dealing with the marketing of equipment are very welcome. The budget for these newcomers is 100,000, maximum 100,000 euros per project, and the deadline is 30th of May, but will probably be delayed a couple of weeks or 1 month. So we are in discussion on this with the Commission. But in any case, you are all welcome to join us in this Market 4.0 project. So in case you are interested, please contact me and I will give you further details. If you have any question or I can clarify anything else,